Today I'm in beautiful Kenley, Mattamy Homes' new community to show you our new listing at 13605 Valley Drive. And this Rowen model is absolutely gorgeous home. But before we get into the home, let's talk a little bit about where we are. We're here in Tradition in Port St. Lucie with tons of parks being built and have been built here. You have lots of shopping, new restaurants, new places to go. You have the downtown area, which is absolutely gorgeous with the public shopping center there. Then also outside of Riverland, you have another Publix that's right down the street. So two Publix inside the community, restaurants inside the community. You can golf cart everywhere on the trails. They've made it really, really easy. You have the buses that run around the trails also. So if you don't want to ride your bike or you don't want to take your golf cart, you can take one of these great little autonomous buses. And on top of that, you have a community that continues to grow with fun, family-friendly activities. So with that being said, let's go and take a look at this beautiful home here at 13605 Valley Drive. I'll see you inside the house. All right, stepping into this beautiful Rowen model. First of all, you have double doors, which are fantastic with impact glass. There's impact glass all the way around this house. That's one of the special things about it. And then you have a half bath right here. Another thing about this home is that this home is only a year old. So you still have the 210 warranty on it. You have 1 year left on your appliances and you have 4 years left on your AC system. So you're buying a brand new home when you're buying this home because like I said, it's only been lived in for a year now. Also, it's 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath. Another great thing about this home is when we take you upstairs, you're gonna notice that there's a second bathroom up there that was only offered with Kenley's neighborhood. 2 AC systems in this house, 1 downstairs, 1 upstairs. This home also has a tankless hot water heater outside, so it's instant hot water forever. A beautiful thing to have. Coming in the home, you have a huge den to your left, lots of windows, lots of light, big laundry room. You have a laundry sink, and then you also have another storage closet right here, which makes it great. Lots of storage in this home. And as we walk into the home, then we walk into this big open floor plan. So you have this huge family room, open floor plan, kitchen, staircases right here. Again, you have an AC down here and an AC upstairs. These AC units are smart units, so they're really fantastic in the way they work. Mattamy puts this in all of their homes. It's a great thing. So coming out of this huge living room space, right here, you're gonna have your garage. You have a little area here for a drop zone. And then you have this massive pantry. Big kitchen, quartz countertops. I love the countertops. Gray countertops with a light gray marble going through it. The cabinets are a light gray also. And something to notice is all of the hardware. All the hardware in this house is brass. So we're gonna see that in the bathrooms and all over. They match this beautiful brass hardware. Beautiful farmhouse sink, white with this black brush faucet. I really love that. Your stove is gas. All of your appliances are Whirlpool. You have a hood. The hood actually vents out, so that's fantastic when cooking on gas. Then here you have your oven with a microwave and a convection oven. And here's your dishwasher with storage underneath the sink. Then coming into the dining room, you have this huge dining room, lots of windows, looking out on this beautiful patio here, goes out into this big backyard. And all you see in your backyard here is nothing but preserve. You will never have anyone behind you. And it's a massive lot, plenty of room for a pool, big outside area, awesome for entertaining. This house is perfect for a family and one of my very favorite homes that Mattamy builds. So let's run over and take a look at the master bedroom on the other side of the family room here, and I'll see you over there. Let's start in the master bath because the master bath in one of these homes is absolutely gorgeous. So first of all, Beautiful quartz, more grain in the quartz. Again, all brass hardware, brass faucets. Also, all the hardware for your towels, all brass. Huge, just absolutely monster shower. The thing I love about the shower in Mattamy Homes is number one, this beautiful glass, easy to take care of and clean. You have a nice window that's frosted right here. And then over here, you know, you can turn the water on without being in the shower, so you can make sure you get the water to where you want it to be as far as temperature without having to step into the shower and do it. And then you have towel hangers, and again, all of the fixtures again are brass with a rain shower head on your shower faucet. Coming into the master bedroom, you have two big closets. This one's a little larger than this one, so if you're his and hers, this would be hers obviously, and this would be his. Great closet space though, absolutely tons of storage. Then coming into the master bedroom, you've got this big, huge master bedroom again, big windows letting in tons of light, lots of room for your furniture, looking over this beautiful preserve. Imagine having a gorgeous pool back here that you can look out on. Just absolutely gorgeous down here. And as you notice, as I said before, this house allows a couple to live downstairs and never go upstairs unless you want to. So it's a really fantastic floor plan and one of my favorites that Mattamy Homes build. One of my favorites, period, that any builder builds, because it's just that right size, not too big, not too small, but plenty of downstairs, and having the master down is really awesome. So let's go upstairs now and take a look at the upstairs. All right, upstairs here in the landing, this is a great space. Big enough for, as you see, as a playroom. You could make it a movie theater. It could have game room up here, whatever you like. This is a great space up here. As I said, this is that extra bathroom. So this would normally be more space, but they put this third bathroom in, full bath. Again, brass fixtures, cabinets are beautiful, and you have quartz countertops. You also have more storage right here. And then as we walk over here to the bedrooms, you've got more storage right here on your left. And then you have 3 bedrooms, 2 on this side, 1 right here, and then another full bath with 2 sinks instead of 1. So plenty of room for all 3 kids, and that extra bathroom right there, as I said, great for a teenager to have their own bathroom. Great upstairs, very roomy, big bedrooms. So let's go downstairs, take a look at the backyard real quick, and I'll see you there. So here we are in the lanai, the back of the house. Big lanai. As you can see, the fire's going because we have this beautiful fall weather going on in Florida right now. A couple of things back here before we talk about the yard is, as you notice over here, you have electrical outlets and you have your water and your drainage and a gas. So this is an all gas home. So therefore you have gas out here, and you can put in an outdoor kitchen. It's already set up for that. You're already ready to go. Now, the backyard, again, as I said, huge backyard, plenty of room for a beautiful pool. Then you have this beautiful preserve to look at. Actually, yesterday we were here at the house and we had some deer out there, so it's really amazing here. This is a great home. If you're interested in taking a look at this home, reach out to me, Lee Brickey. We'd love to set up a showing for you, walk you through this beautiful home, and take you around the beautiful neighborhood of Kenley and the beautiful area of Tradition, which is absolutely fantastic. So just a wonderful place to live here in Port St. Lucie, and a beautiful house to live in. So if you're interested in a walkthrough, reach out to me again, Lee Brickey. My information's right there on the screen. We'll set up a time, give you a tour. And if you're interested in any of our other homes or any home in Palm Beach County or the Treasure Coast, reach out to me. My information again is on the screen. We'd love to help you. Be kind to each other, and we'll see you in the next video. So you have this beautiful,
Don't want to move you.
stay right there, don't move, don't move. So you have this beautiful, huge living area, tons of glass, opens up to the kitchen. Your staircase is right here. By the way, the other cat. Hold on, Steve. All right, she went under.